What's great about General Finishes shipping is that we get orders out the same day or next day. We're so efficient that in the past we've had customers call in with add-on orders and our order has already left in less than 4 hours. And the other great thing is we also sell mixed cases. If you only needed one quart or 1 pint or 1 gallon of one color, you can ask for one of those and fill the case with a different color or a different sheen across our whole product line too. It's not just stains or finishes. You can mix and mingle both just in the same size, which saves you money on inventory costs and not having to buy full cases. It's what I love. It's like having family. You know, you come in, been working here over 20 years, and we've all grown together. Families getting married, know each other's kids. It's besides work, it's also a fun place to be in between the work.